everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Gecey Fernandes Vlog. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the oud or Bukhoor, which I mentioned last time that I'm going to make a separate vlog. So here it is. I see. So in my previous vlog, I opened it in front of you guys together with baby Maria. And this time we got this one, and I want to show you about this oud. So this one is Incense De Parfum from Khozami. There you go. And they have the same things and everything is here. What is this? I don't know. This one, Arabic. I hope you can read it. And then, nakakatuwa. Once upon a time, or part 1 If I read this in front of you guys, for sure hindi tayo matatapos until tomorrow. Kasi medyo makapal siya. And it's an English version, and of course, there is an Arabic version. Okay? So, yeah. So, this is the facts. And this is, what is this? So this is the brochure. There you go. So if you are interested, there is an ioudstore.com. Okay, and they have so much variety, as you can see. There you go. So many are there. Tcharam! Ang haba, oh. Pagmasdan. Ang ulan, unti-unting pumapatak. O, diba? Ang dami. Super siya. At iba-iba. And ang napakita ko sa inyo is Arabic. And this is the English version behind that. There you go. So, meron silang iba't ibang product. Merong Russia, Vilasan, etc. and everything. So, we got this one. Actually, this is given by someone and came from Saudi. There you go. And there's the box, as you can see. There it is. And then, there is a letter from Khozami. Correct me if I'm wrong. And once again, if you are really interested, they have ioudstore.com. Diba ang cute? Parang may love letter lang. And there you go. O, diba ang bongga, guys? Ayan yung laman. Kita nyo? Ang bongga. And there you go. Meron siyang glass. And of course, ito siya, oh. Kuha tayo ng isa. Let's get one piece and let's try it. Yung gold ng ano niya. Ng foil niya. Oh, I see. So, we'll try to open it. Bukhoor is the Arabic name given to a scented wood, soot, and fragrant oils mixed with other natural ingredients. The incense is mainly combination of oriental woody and a very soft fruity floral, and the smoke is characterized by a sweet balsamic note and shade of vanilla and musk. Bukhoor is derived from agar, the edible algae. Agar or agarwood is a fragrant dark wood used in incense perfume and small carvings, and also produced a dark aromatic substance which is protected from insects and pathogens. So, as a result, agarwood and its essential oil gain a great cultural, religious, and civilization around the world. And this is a very valuable for them and yet expensive.